LiveTiles Blueprint is the easiest way to deploy your SharePoint pages in information architecture.
Let's be honest, generating large-scale information architecture from scratch is cumbersome and time-consuming. We all like things fast and easy. That's why we developed LiveTiles Blueprint, so you can cook up master templates and instantly deploy them across multiple tenants, sites, and site collections. You can even share your LiveTiles design masterpieces to give everyone the same impressive and consistent user experience they want. Our global partners use LiveTiles Blueprint to provide a foundation for out-of-the-box solutions and increase SharePoint deployment across multiple locations
to ensure their clients experience all of SharePoint's awesome abilities.
SharePoint administrators from worldwide companies, franchises, and organizations use LiveTiles Blueprint to quickly create and deploy sites, site collections, and pages.
To begin, just open your LiveTiles Blueprint canvas to start designing your masterpiece. Drag and drop the Add Page tile into the Blueprint root. From there, you can enter the page name and location to grab an existing page.
In the future, you can hit the Refresh Page option to make sure you have the most current version captured.
You can start adding lists and libraries with a few swift clicks of your mouse. Just continue to use our user-friendly drag and drop tile feature to add them to the site. Too easy! You also have the option of creating custom code. To add a subsite, simply drag and drop the Site tile. Save time and skip through windows with the option to keep the same parent permissions by ticking the box New Site Inherits Parent Permissions. If you want to make the site the home page, simply click the Settings cog and assign the home page from the drop-down box. Once you've completed the template, save your genius Blueprint site recipe, then click the Export option. The file downloads as a JSON file,
which can be easily emailed and allows for quick uploads.
Then, import the template into a separate tenant by opening the exported JSON file. This transfers the data into the new tenant. Click Save, then Construct for a LiveTiles Blueprint to start whipping up your information architecture.
When something works, why change it? Share your perfect LiveTiles Blueprint and design model templates so users across all SharePoint tenants can enjoy the same effortless experience as you.
Touch the new world of work with LiveTiles Blueprint.
Software for dynamic people of the digital workplace.